Hi everyone, and welcome to the VMS IDE tutorial. We continue working on our first project in VMS IDE. In the previous video, we configured our workspace, specified the SSH connection and project settings, and created an executable project. In this video, we're going to add projects of other types to the workspace. First, we need to add new folders to the workspace. Select File, Add Folder to the workspace, then select the folders that store or will store source code of our projects. In this case, we already have created two other projects, shareable and static. One of them has the shareable type, the other one is a library. The structure of the project is similar to the one that we created in the previous video. There are also settings in the .vs code folder. As you can see, the type of the project is shareable. The root path is set to test/shareable so that both projects have the same root, test, and are stored in separate directories, executable and shareable. Next, we're going to add the static project as well. It has the same structure. The type of this project is library. The root path is similar to other projects. Now that we have added all of the projects, let's save the workspace configuration. Later, when we open the workspace from the file, all the projects will open automatically. Now that all of the projects are added and configured, we can add shareable and static projects as dependencies to the executable project. This can be done in the Project Explorer view. The Project Explorer view consists of two panels, Project Dependencies and Project Description. The first one lists all projects. You can select any of the projects. The details will be shown in the second panel. Build type can be either debug or release. You can switch between the two by simply clicking this parameter. Source state shows whether the local source code files and their copies on the OpenVMS machine are synchronized or not. The current state, unknown, shows that the files haven't been synchronized yet. Build status shows whether the project was built or not. The SSH connection settings, as well as the project settings, can be edited from the Project Explorer. This is the same JSON file that was saved in the .vs Code project directory previously. Other projects have similar structure and properties. Now that we have all the projects in one workspace, we can link them together. For this project, we will add shareable and static as dependencies to the executable. Executable is our main project. The masters parameter in the project description now shows the dependencies. In the next video, we're going to build our project.